and welcome to another PA Pages how-to tutorial. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to change and update PowerPoint slide transitions using Microsoft PowerPoint for Mac. So to get started, what you need to do is have your presentation all set up, and then to create transitions where the slide comes from the side or comes from the bottom, all you need to do is go to your ribbon up here and click on Transitions and simply select which transition you like. So you can have it push up, wipe, or any of these types of transitions, and there's lots and lots to choose from. So you'll see on the side here next to the PowerPoint slide that you'll have a little star, and that means that there's some kind of animation with it. So if you no longer want that transition, all you need to do is just click on your slide or highlight all slides and click on none, and you'll see that that little star disappears. So I hope this little tip helps you create some really awesome PowerPoint slides. If you'd like to see more tips like this, be sure to hit on subscribe. And if there's anything else that you'd love to see, please comment below. See you next time.